Boy, that Haitian do my hair.
Only thing with Haitian food, you just gotta find the right Haitian to cook it. I don't eat from every Haitian though.
Here, let me get some ugly,
They
bro.
even Haitian places in there too.
Some Haitian, bro, I don't eat their food. Their food, they don't have no flavor.
Nothing, huh?
Boy, fucking that house off.
Hold on, Cliff Fantasy. Hold on, Cliff Fantasy. Pause that. Hey, pass me that beat so I can get my grill on this shit, man. Now, you already know who we rockin' with. Fuck with.